In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and send an invoice with Square. Once you're signed into your web-based Square account, go to Orders and Payments and look for Invoices. From there, click on the Create Invoice function to begin sending an invoice. You'll see different options available, including a single invoice, a batch invoice, or a recurring invoice. For this tutorial, choose the single invoice option. Next, add a customer by entering the customer's first name, last name, and email address. After adding the customer details, you'll also have the option to enter a title for the invoice. In this example, use the title Your Purchase. You can also choose to add a service date, an invoice ID, or a body message if needed. Once that's done, move down to the Item section and pull in an item for the invoice. For this example, select a classic tee. You'll be able to see how many available variations the item has. Choose the variation you want to include on the invoice. After selecting the variation, you can add a note for the client about the item if needed. There is also an item description already included with detailed information about the product. Once everything looks correct, save the item. Now adjust the quantity for the item. You can leave it at a single item or increase the quantity as needed. If the quantity is set too high, Square Invoices will notify you if you are overselling your current inventory. Lower the quantity until the overselling notification disappears. In this example, set the quantity to 5, which brings the total to $180. Next, decide when you would like the invoice to be sent. Choose to send the invoice immediately, then set the due date for 7 days later. After that, choose the payment methods the customer can use to pay the invoice. Enable all available payment methods, including card payments, bank transfer, Cash App Pay, Afterpay, and gift cards. Then go to the Reminders section. Set reminders so the customer is automatically notified about the outstanding invoice after it has been sent. The reminders will automatically reach out based on the settings you select. Before sending the invoice, review all the information carefully. Confirm that the customer information is correct, the invoice title is set properly, and the line items are accurate. You'll also have the option to apply a discount. But for this example, leave the total at $180. Double-check the payment methods and due date as well. Once everything is ready, click Send. The invoice will now be sent automatically to the customer with all invoice details included, along with the payment methods you selected. The customer can then complete the payment directly from the invoice using any of those payment options. If the customer later decides to pay with cash or check in person, select Mark as Paid and choose the correct payment method to complete the invoice. Thank you for watching.